everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Y'all, it is time to celebrate. Today marks my 7-year Nappiversary. And I am super elated to share it with you all as usual. So I really just wanted to come in and touch base with you all a little bit about my growth this year, as y'all can already see, as well as some of the things that I've learned, and most importantly, what we're all really here to discuss, my length check. Because y'all know last year I had finally hit bra strap length, but y'all, I got some things I need to talk to y'all about over the next few minutes, so make sure that you all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. Something real short and sweet and to the point about what I learned in this year is that your hair is truly a reflection of how you treat your body to a certain extent. And I want to go ahead and put out a disclaimer. I know that some of us do have different health concerns and health issues, and I'm not talking about that because those are definitely special circumstances and they are not a reflection of the things that you've done or you have not done. There are some things that we cannot control. However, for me specifically, that's something that I've learned in my personal journey. I can't really speak to anybody else, but this is this past 5 months, I have been on a health journey. Let me grab my glasses because my hair is doing a lot, y'all. Sorry. But anyway, I've been on this health journey and I'm down 12 pounds. So about 2 sizes. And I can't even say I'm necessarily just taking care of my hair better, but I will say I'm putting better things into my body. As far as fruits and vegetables and water, I've cut out a lot of alcohol, sugar, carbs, all of that stuff. And I've definitely seen a reflection in my hair, right? And so that's just something I want to put out. And I'm doing it old school, right? I'm just eating better and exercising more, trying to get some sleep. That's it. And so that is something that I've definitely learned. You know, if I want to see changes in my body, those are things that I have to put into my body as well. So that's number one. Number two is that, let me tell y'all, if you are taking care of your hair is gonna grow and it's gonna flourish. Y'all, I'm in year 7 and my hair looks like this wavy, you know, in a twist out. So I'm definitely impressed with this. But I would also say, you know, like, don't be afraid to trim your hair. A few months ago, I got really upset and really fed up with my hair, y'all. I was going through some things. I cut 2 inches off of my hair. And so to see it bounce back and come back and still have this length and look the way it does, I'm personally impressed. I don't know what my length check is really gonna look like, you know, but I feel like it's gonna be okay. But I definitely chopped 2 inches off, like all throughout my hair. I didn't level it off, nothing. I was sick of it, you know, so that happened. Something else that I've learned with my hair is, honestly, like, sometimes the best thing you can do is leave it alone. I have not been styling my hair that much. I haven't been doing that much to it at all because of school and work. So sometimes the best thing you can do is a good wash, condition, your color purple braids, a twist, and keep it pushing. Like, it don't take all of that. Some for real stuff. I will also say this. I feel like this has probably played a role in my hair care journey as well. As you all have seen over the years, I've really transitioned into different types of products. So now the only products I use in my hair are like natural products and products that are specifically targeted to Black women. I'm trying to be as pure and as organic and as natural as possible. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I'm strictly like that, but most of my products are heavily organic. Okay, and so that's something to definitely keep in mind. It's something definitely to think about. Again, I am still only blowing out my hair or using heat maybe once a year. So that's something else that I would definitely take into consideration. Other than that, y'all, I'm steadily keeping my hair wrapped. I'm steadily trying to do protective styles. Y'all know this past year I did my mini twist protective style challenge, I think is what I called it. I think that was definitely a blessing. I've had braids this year. A lot of styles like that. And so that's something I definitely think I'm going to keep up with. Those are the big things that I feel like I've really learned and understood in year 6. Nothing just like, you know, mind-blowing. But yeah. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the length check because I feel like that's what a lot of people really want to know and really want to see. All right, so we gonna pick a top piece real quick. Okay. I definitely feel like there's some growth in that. Let's do a side piece. Okay, definitely some growth here, definitely some growth there. Let's do a top middle piece. Definitely some growth. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a look at the back of my hair. Definitely some growth here, I would say. Definitely. Oh, that's from the other side of my hair. And another side piece. Oh, this one's actually really long. Let me see if I can get y'all one in the back. The back is always really, really hard for me. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay. And voila. Ooh, that's definitely growth, y'all. Yes, y'all. So that is my 2019 length check. Okay, so real quick before I go, I love to always tell y'all like my vision and what I'm thinking for the year to come when it comes to my natural hair and my hair care. For me moving forward, my biggest goal is to maintain healthy hair. That's it. That's all I got. I think for the most part I've kind of reached my length goal and what I'm going for as far as length is, and I feel like the older I've gotten and the more mature I've gotten in my natural hair journey. And then too, at this point in my life, like I don't have a lot of time or energy to be fighting my hair and dealing with it with as much hair as I have, even when I twist it. Also in the coming year, I definitely see myself experimenting more with colors, but I told y'all that already when I did this hair color, which is hanging in there with me a little bit. It's kind of fading, but it's cool. I definitely want to experiment with more color. I want to experiment with some scissors. For real. So y'all stay tuned for that. I really kind of want to experiment with locks. You know, like I'm here for all of it. I'm just, you know, trying to flourish and continue to grow and explore. Like that's where I'm at in my life. But anyway, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in to my 7-year Nappiversary. Before y'all go, drop down and let me know what y'all think about my hair. Does it look good to y'all? Does it look healthy? Do you feel like it's growing? I don't know. Y'all always let me know. So I'm trying to hear what y'all have to think about, you know, any of the things that I've said. Also, I'm really curious to know how long y'all have been natural. So make sure y'all drop that down below. Like how long y'all been in the game? Because there's definitely women out here who've been doing the dang thing a lot longer than me. So definitely let me know. But as always, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all really soon. Bye.